Hello, my dear student. Today, I'll discuss the PI of higher order differential equation with constant coefficient, especially for cos AX or sin AX type. Cos cos AX or sin AX. Now, there are three types of problem we have. So, please write down type 1. Okay. So in type 1, suppose if I can consider the problem, suppose question is solve d square plus 4y is equals to sine x, suppose you have. So already you know is a higher order differential equation with constant coefficient. If you want to solve this differential equation, we need to calculate first CF then PI. So in my last lecture already have given the information about the CF. Now I'm talking about the only PI calculation. Okay, so here mainly our main focus to calculate the PI part. So if I want to calculate the PI stands for what? Anyone? Please write in chat box. Yes, you are absolutely correct. It is particular integral. Very good. So what about the CF? Anyone? Yes, complementary function. Very good. Okay, so now if you want to calculate the PI of this type of problem, then first you have to write this. Okay, sine x. So in case of sine ax or cos ax, the formula is uh, all d square should be replaced by minus a whole square. So this is the only one formula for sine and cosine function. Okay. So in this problem, what is your a? Anyone? Please write in chat box. Please write. What is a? 1. Very good. So here coefficient of x is 1. So that's why a. Then how much should I substitute? So d square is equals to minus of 1 square. It is minus 1. Now, please don't write here. First, you have to substitute separately. 1 by minus 1, 4. It is coming 1 by 3. If it is coming non-zero, if your denominator coming non-zero, then only you substitute here. That is 1 by minus 1 plus 3. Clear? So ultimately it's coming 1 by sine x. So this is your type 1. Is it clear? In type 1, now you write down your homework immediately. Please write. Just you have to check. Same problem. D square plus 9y is equals to sine 2x. Now calculate. Now try to understand. I have given the same question. Here 9, it was 9. Now it is, yeah, sorry, it was 4. Now it is 9. And here you are familiar with the sine x. So here I have mentioned sine 2x. Now anyone, please write in chat box. What is A in this homework? Very good. A is equals to 2. Good. So I think now we can solve. Please try to solve it. I'm giving 5 minutes time. It, it requires not even 2 minutes. Still I'm giving some time. Please take a screenshot and then you send in our chat box. Calculate. Yes, I have received one solution. Your answer is 1 by 5, correct? 1 by 5 sine 2x. Yes, absolutely correct. So that will be the answer. Okay, if you have a solution, please check. Your answer will be 1 by 5 sine 2x. Okay, now switch to next, type 3. Everyone, please write down type 2. Correct. So now write down the question. Solve d square plus 9y is equals to cos 3x. Okay, so I'm talking about only pi. CF already you know. Okay, so please write down pi part. So 1 by d square plus 9 cos of 3x, correct? So already you know all d square should be replaced by minus a whole square. In this problem, a is equals to 3, correct? Coefficient of x cos 3x, that is coefficient of x is 3. So ultimately we should write all d square is equals to minus 3 whole square. We should write minus 3 whole square. Ultimately minus 9. Now again you roughly calculate. So it is coming minus 9 plus 9, 1 by 0. If your denominator coming is 0, if your denominator is coming 0, then you have to adapt this process. So first you have to write down this process applicable only when your denominator coming is 0. So you write down x. Okay, 1 by derivative of this expression with respect to d, so it is coming 2d, and your 9 there is no d, that it is a constant 0. Then you write down cos 3x. So already you know that is what is d. D stands for derivative. Okay, and 1 by d stands for integration. So now you have x by 2, 1 by d of cos 3x. Now you integrate this, integration of cos 3x. It is coming x by 2 cos 3x integration. Anyone? Anyone plus or minus? Plus. Very good. So it will be sine 3x by 3. So ultimately it is coming x sine 3x by 6. Clear? Very good. So please check. I repeat once again. If anywhere in any situation, if you can see your denominator is coming 0, so then you should write x and derivative of the expression. I have received one question from chat box, that someone is asking that if I have, sir, again 0, so this process will continue until and unless your denominator is coming non-zero. Okay, the process will continue until and unless your result is coming denominator part non-zero. So your derivative, if your lower denominator part in the expression coming 0, so again you have to write x into derivative of the expression. Clear? Now anyone please write down one homework. Please write down your homework. So please write down d square plus 4y is equals to sine 2x. Okay, so here I have replaced 9 by 4 and cos 2x, cos 3x replaced by sine 2x. Process remains same. Whether it is sine or cos, process remains same. But d square is equals to minus a square. Okay, so I think you can manage it. Shall I move to the next slide? Okay, so I think you can solve. Please write down your homework. Homework is important every time. Suppose you are learning something, every time you have to practice similar kind of question so that you can understand this, or you can check your coach condition whether your concept is clear or not. Okay. So here in type 1, your denominator is not coming 0, but in second, your denominator is coming 0. If your denominator is coming 0, then you have to multiply with x and derivative the expression with respect to d. Okay. So now switch to the type 3 as the last type. Hmm? Type 3. So you have a question, solve d square plus 3d plus 4 you have is equals to, you have cos, cos, suppose you have this question. Okay, so already you know, I'm talking about, if you want to solve this question, there are two parts you have. One is CF part, that is complementary part, and PI part, that is particular integral part. CF part is common as usual, like whatever the problem you have. So here right hand side part is different. So that means your PI part will be different. I'm talking about only PI part, correct? So Pi is equals to 1 by d square plus 3d plus 4 cos of 3x. Now try to understand. So already you know that in case of sine cosine, we have only one calculation per method or formula, that is d square is equals to minus a square. So in this problem, what is a? Okay, very good. So here a is equals to 3. Why? The coefficient of x, correct? So now you write down d square is equals to minus 3 whole square. That means minus 9. Just substitute here. That is 1 by minus 9 plus 3d plus 4 cos of 3x. I think it is clear to everyone. Please write in chat box. If it is yes, write Y, and if it is no, please write N. Everyone, please check quick. Oh, yes, Saurabh. Okay. Okay, no problem. I will repeat the things once again. I repeat from the beginning once again. First, you have to write down PI formula representation part. So in this case, already you know, in case of sine or cosine, so the one formula is, that is your d square equals to minus a square. So here a is equals to 3. That is, this 3 is coming from here, coefficient of x. So ultimately we should consider d square is equals to minus 3 whole square, that is minus 9. Okay. So now we substitute here. So ultimately it is coming. Now it is clear, I think. Saurabh, please write in chat box. Okay. Very good. So now it is coming 3d minus 5 cos 3x. Now try to understand. So in case of sine and cosine, there is only one formula, d square equals to minus a square. But here your result is coming only d, 3d minus 5. Then what you do? You have to rationalize. So you have to rationalize this. That is 3d plus 5 by 3d minus 5 into 3d plus 5. I think it is clear to everyone. So if you have a only single factor, that is linear factor, in that situation, you should rationalize this. So if it is a minus, you should write plus plus. If it is a plus, then you should write minus minus. So already you know from your 7-8, class 7-8, how to rationalize this. Okay. Shall I move to the next slide? Shall I move to the next slide? Okay. Now, please check. Is it clear? If you have a linear factor, then you have to rationalize this. Okay. Now, so then you write down 3d plus 5. Here it is coming 9d square minus 25 cos of 3x. Now your d square is available already. What you will d square? D square is equals to minus 9. Substitute here. It is coming 3d plus 5 by 9 into minus 9. 9 into minus 9 minus 25 cos of 3x. Clear? So now it is coming minus 8125. Please check. Your result is coming 3d plus 5 by minus 106 cos of 3x. Okay. So now you write down um, minus 106 is equals into 3d of cos 3x plus 5 cos 3x. So d stands for, already you know what is the meaning of d. D is an operator, very good. And d stands for derivative. Now differentiate cos 3x. So it is coming minus 106. Derivative of cos 1 means minus 3. Another 3 is already available. Minus 9 sine 3x plus 5 cos 3x. So this is your pi. Clear? Is it clear to all of you? Okay, please write down one by one. Now you try to check whether your concept is clear or not with the homework. Every time try to finish after solving this question. Just you have to finish your homework. So please write down the homework. Just you have to find the PI, not CF. CF part already you know. No need to calculate again and again. Just you have to calculate the PI part. Now calculate. So here I have replaced the data. D square plus 3d minus 3 whole y is equals to cos x. So here, what is a here? Very good. A equals to 1. Correct. Now, please check. Only you should calculate, not CA, PI. PI part calculate. PI. Okay. Now calculate. Okay. If you are getting some benefits from here, so please do share this YouTube link or information to other friends also, so that they can get some benefit. Okay. And those who are still not subscribed my channel, everyone please do subscribe, and don't forget to mention any comments. If any part is not clear to you, in comment option please write. Comment option please write. And my phone number is 70312 This is my WhatsApp number. Every time after solving your homework, please send your solution in our WhatsApp. Okay, so that I can check if anything is wrong. I rectify it. Okay, chalo. I think it is clear. So today I have discussed three types of problems, especially based on sine, cosine. Okay, so first one, anyone, can you describe type 1, type 2, type 3 variation? Yes, first one without denominator 0, and second one with denominator 0, and third one extra linear factor is coming in the denominator. Okay, very good, very good. So these are the total variation in sine and cosine. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel.